and that's Fort San Pedro, which you've been seeing in the video. Sun's going down. You may see over the background a big cross on the new bridge, and Rona and I are eating big. We're in the plaza behind the Basilica de Santo Niño, and we're here at the site of Magellan's cross. Rona's just in the church and I'm just waiting for her at the moment because unfortunately I wasn't dressed appropriately to enter the Basilica. But this is the site that contains the possible remnants of the cross that Magellan planted many hundreds of years ago. We'll just walk down from the Basilica. We're down near the port area, and we're going to have a walk around these gardens here of the plaza and check out the famous Spanish fort and maybe get something to eat. That's a bit of a shame. I was kind of hoping that it might still be open, but it's getting kind of late on a Sunday, so you know, can't expect too much.
40 mo ha? 40 na sila.
We are sitting in Plaza Independencia, and that's Fort San Pedro, which you've been seeing in the video. Sun's going down. You may see over the background a big cross on the new bridge, and Rona and I are eating
Quack and fishbowl. No. Tempura.
Explain
Then
what
mango.
quack is.
Quack, it's an egg inside. Duck egg.
Duck
Yeah.
egg.
It's not
And
a chicken egg.
Mango
with shrimp paste.
with shrimp paste and water, and just sit here and enjoy it as the sun goes down.
Init sa kain na